What's going on, everyone? Investor here. Got another fun one for you. Seems these ETFs keep popping up all over the place and they keep coming out with higher and higher distribution rates. So today we're going to take a look at CONY or CONY, the distribution rate of 75.28%. Unbelievable. 75%. I know there's no way that's sustainable. I just can't get behind that one. But again, with these videos, it's just fun to imagine, fun to play the what if game. Even if you are looking to try to make a quick buck kind of thing and you try to get in and out of these real fast just to try to collect the dividend, there might be some potential to make some money. But nonetheless, 75.28%, kind of unreal. But this one is brought up by YieldMax, and YieldMax is the same people that do Tesla, Apple, and some of those other ones. So we'll take a look at what this is, and then we'll jump into the fun stuff. So again, CONY YieldMax Coin Option Income Strategy ETF. So this fund does not invest directly in coin. All right, first thing to be kind of cognizant of. The fund strategy will cap its potential gains if coin shares increase in value. So again, you can only make so much money off of these. If the share price goes through the roof, they're still only limited by what the call options are. See, the distribution rate was $1.20, and it was just paid a few days back, or going to be paid coming up. So the ex-dividend date was just a few days back. So $1.20 per share. I think this is trading at about $18.50 at the time of this video. So unbelievable, right? So the fund overview, the YieldMax Coin Option Income Strategy is an actively managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling, writing call options on coin. CONY pursues a strategy that aims to harvest compelling yields while retaining capped participation in the price gains of coin. Again, the capped participation, they're limited by what the option is that they've sold. The investment objective, the fund's primary investment objective is to seek current income. The fund's secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the share price of the common stock of Coinbase Global. If you're not familiar with Coinbase Global, go look them up. They typically are one of the brokerages for dealing with the cryptocurrency and stuff like that. So please take a look. Again, just please do your research before making any investment decisions. I make these videos just for fun, just to shout out, the possibilities and dream a little bit, right? All right, some of the options here that you can see, or some of the details here. The net asset value 1927, it's already below that. So fund inception was August 14th, so another brand new one. Expense ratio again 0.99. We're seeing the same common theme with all these at a 0.99, extremely high for that gross expense ratio. The 1 month performance, so it's already down 1.47% for the past month and down just over 2% since inception. This is the kind of stuff that we're looking at when we have these kind of ETFs out there, especially when I do these videos. Yeah, it's great to see, hey, one share is going to equal a gazillion dollars. But if the actual NAV or the share price itself is going down and going into the toilet, are you really making any money? Maybe, maybe not. It really depends on how far, but that's typical to see with some of these new ones. So you guys look at the top 10 holdings there, call options. So that's the website. So again, just to scroll back up, 75.28%. So let's jump over to the calculator and we'll have a little fun. All right, over at the dividend calculator here, go with the same format here. We're looking for the YieldMax coin option. There it is. Individual stock, yes. Distribution is going to be monthly. The drip we do want. We will start with the traditional one share. And just for fun, I am not going to invest a single dollar into this per year. I'm going to buy one share and let it ride. I want to see what this is. Annual dividend, I believe, was 75.28. Again, that's even just weird typing it. That is astronomically high. So before I hit that magic button, think. What do you think the outcome is going to be? What do you think the number is going to be? And we'll see how close you are. Ready? Calculate dividends. Again, for 20 years, not investing a single dollar and starting with one share and just letting it ride. $11.1 million. You can make $11 million off one share of CONY for doing absolutely nothing but buying the one share. You're not investing any more into it. You're buying one share and letting it drip. So let's take a look. Start with the one share. You're going to make $14.16 off dividends for the one share. Right? So your new balance will be up to $36.50 worth after 1 year. And you can just start to see it grow, 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 grow. Imagine if you were to put money into this, right? So by the end of the 20 years, you'll own 329,000 shares worth $11 million. Not believable. I can't even get behind that. But nonetheless, again, this is the what if game. It's still fun to think that something like this may be possible. Not on this scale, I'm assuming. But hey, again, we talk about in these videos that, hey, what if it's only half? What if it's only a quarter? What if it's only a tenth of that? It's still money that probably a lot of us out there are willing to take the risk and see what happens. So just for fun, let's just say we throw $100 a month into this, right? $1,200 a year. Calculate. You now just went up to $766 million. So you tell me, is this believable or not? I just can't get behind it. There is no way. But is there potential to make some money off this? I would like to think so. It just depends on how you play it. But anyway, guys, this was just for fun. This is just something to look at. I wanted to show you guys CONY, make you guys a little bit more familiar with what it can and can't do. Again, factor in taxes, factor in the expense ratio, factor in the NAV loss. There's a lot of things that are going to, start to bring this number back down, but nonetheless, the number is still going to be through the roof. So anyway, guys, please do your research. Please, please, please do your research before making any investment decisions. I am not promoting this. I am not a financial advisor. I am just here to show you some fun stuff and kind of help your imagination run wild with what could become something big. So please do your research, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. And as always, happy investing.